A couple of weeks ago, my team and I hosted a live stream to introduce a special project we've been working on for more than a year, Inspire Volume 1, 10 Tracks to Master the Breath. More than 15,000 people tuned in from 115 countries as I shared the background and inspiration for creating Inspire. And our community warmly embraced Alex Ruiz, one of many collaborators on the project, as we talked about his experience with the breath and the extraordinary artwork he created for the cover. It was humbling and gratifying to learn our event had been attended by so many people. At the same time, it perfectly illustrates why we created Inspire to respond to a need in our community, understanding the what and the why of the breath. Ever since I began incorporating the breath called pulling the mind out of the body into this work, one of the most common questions we get at Encephalon, especially from beginning students, is, how do I do the breath? My response is, before we can talk about the how, we have to talk about the what and the why. The breath is a powerful practice designed to move the creative energy that rests, dormant, at the base of the spine, the energy or life force we use to make a baby, to digest a meal, to run from perceived threats, and direct it to the pineal gland in the brain. When we use the breath to liberate that stored energy and release it into the brain, we move out of survival and into creation. The breath helps us reach that delicate state of being relaxed and awake. How does it work? Our research has demonstrated that, when the breath is done properly, we can create high levels of coherent gamma brainwaves. These gamma frequencies can help us reach heightened awareness, superconsciousness, and states of euphoria or bliss. At the same time, there is a suppression of the analytical or critical mind, allowing us to more easily enter the subconscious mind, as well as the unknown, the only place from which we can reprogram ourselves. Facilitated by the breath, then, our body becomes an instrument of transformation and creation.